Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to disable Gemini features like Help Me Write in the side panel in Gmail. In 2026, Google has integrated AI across the entire workspace, but if you prefer a cleaner, traditional inbox experience, you can turn these off in just a few clicks. Let's get right into the settings. First, you need to navigate to your Gmail's main configuration. Open Gmail in a desktop browser and click the Settings gear icon in the top right, then select See All Settings. Stay on the General tab and scroll down until you find the Smart Features and Personalization section. This is the master switch for Google's automated tools. Next, you have to uncheck the boxes to remove the AI icons. Uncheck Smart Features and Personalization, then look directly below it for Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. Once you click that, you need to toggle OFF both Smart Features in Google Workspace and Smart Features in other Google products. Keep in mind that doing this will also disable other automated tasks you might like, such as Google Calendar automatically adding your flight or restaurant reservations from your emails. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes, and Gmail will reload without the Gemini interface. Then, for those of you using a business or school account, the process might be controlled by your organization. If you are an individual user, the steps I just mentioned should work, but if you are a super administrator looking to turn this off for your entire team, you'll need to sign into the Google Admin Console. From there, go to Menu Generative AI. Gemini for Workspace, select the Service Status or Feature Access panel, and set it to OFF for your specific organizational units before hitting Save. Finally, you should clean up your data and interface if any traces remain. To stop Google from saving your AI interactions on the back end, go to myactivity.google.com and turn off your Gemini app's activity. If you